So this is my QRP field kit. This is a mole pack, and it is about let's say roughly 25 centimeters on 15 and on 10 centimeters. So it's pretty small. It weighs about 1 kilo plus or less. Inside we have the end-fed half-wave antenna, the end-fed transformer, piece of wire which can be used as a counterweight for the antenna, adapter, coaxial cable, a very small Bulgarian CW straight K. This was for field radios. It was meant to be used strapped on the leg, but I put 2 magnets to fix it on the case of various radios, especially on my Xiegu G90 or ICOM IC703 Plus. It doesn't touch the metal, but it makes a very strong magnetic field and fix the K on the radio. We have a small torchlight. This is the launcher. It's a fishing line with 50 grams, 60 grams of metal. It's a weight. The way I use it, I balanced like the David's slingshot and throw it on a tree, then connect the wire antenna to the other end on with this insulator, and get the antenna, pull the antenna with the fishing line. Okay. Yes, the this is a piece of PCB, nice, painted in black. What do we have here? Here it's the radio. QRP Labs QCX Mini on 20 meters band. The headset. The power cord. A small notebook to keep the log. I have to find a pen, a smaller one, to put it on the same case. And the battery pack. It's a homebrew 3 cells series, and at about 1.8 amps it's okay. The radio will put about 4 watts on this battery pack. So what do we have here? I still have some little goodies. And some homebrew insulators, a small ferrite choke. Never know when you need one in the field, so better to have it than to miss it. So this is my little kit for field day, for playing around. Thank you.